Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 257 different strategies with 80 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 146 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,003 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says this is the fastest way to make money trading. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see if the strategy is actually profitable, see if it can actually make money, regardless of how quick. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Profit Maximizer PMAX, and so it's going to be this one right here. Click that, add it to the screen, and it will look similar to this right here. Go ahead and jump into the settings, and under the inputs, the ATR length, you're going to change that to 14. Everything else stays on the default. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Kaufman Moving Average Adaptive. This one right here, the KAMA. Go ahead and click that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. And what we're going to do is just under the style, we're going to bump up the line weight of this, the KAMA indicator, the line itself. And you can also change it to whatever color you want that best suits your background. And so what we are looking for a short trade is when we get a sell signal from the PMAX indicator. And when we get a sell signal, we also want price action to be trading below the KAMA, this big solid black line right here. And when those two line up there, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right at the PMAX line right here. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. And you see pretty quickly we make a spike to the downside right here. That would have gotten us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is going to be a buy signal from the PMAX indicator. When we get that buy signal like this, we are then looking for price action to be trading above the KAMA line. Again, that big black solid line there. When those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long trade. We're going to put our stop right at the PMAX line right here. And we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. We just kind of bounce around here in consolidation for a while, and then we make this spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades, putting it at a 36% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So definitely not the fastest way to make money trading. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 48 trades altogether. We had 41 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. And so if you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for an overall gain of $18,300. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the signals or the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 6 trades all together. Out of those 6 trades, we had 4 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at a 66% win rate. That would have been a gain of $600. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade, a 66% win rate again, and a gain of $300. So for the week, we would have been up $900 altogether, and at the 22-week total, we would have been up $38,260 over 187 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the account there. Really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.